went and scared us all half to death.
Well, tell you folks, my son...
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, it's been 2 decades since Okie Oaks, and the Honorable Mayor Turkey Lurkey will finally have bragging rights again for 1 full year.
Hey! Whoa!
Nervous, gangly, barely able to hold the pine. Little advance. He's going to bat from the right. Make it the left. No, the right. The catcher lays down the signal.
No! A hit? Run!
Wait. He's turned right behind him. Goosey Lucy steps on home, and there it goes.
Huh? What? What? Oh!
Chicken Little, you better have a good explanation.
What did he say? You have to, don't do
Follow me!
Come on, hurry! Oh, look, a penny. Oh, right.
Hurry!
Oh, the truth.
Looks like this is just a big, crazy misunderstanding.
Well, other than the penny, this whole evening was a wash.
Oh, Mr. Cluck, don't take it so hard.
Oh, we surrender. Here, take the key to the city. Key to my car. Tic-tac? Tic-tac?
Dear goodness, we are so...
Oh, nonsense.
Captain, look out!
Run!
Red, are you all right?
No. You gotta go on without me, Commander.